Asita. I'm studying in UKG. Today I'm going to tell about my father. My father is good. I love my father so much. He helps me in my studies. He plays with me. He gives everything. I love my father so very much. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I am Asita. I am studying in UKG. Today, I am going to tell about my mother. My mother is my best friend. My mother tells me my stories. She helps me to do my homework. I love my mother very much. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I am Yashasvi. I am studying in UKG. My school's name is St. John's English Medium School. Today I am going to tell about my school. My school is good. I respect all my teachers. We have big playground. We have smart teachers. Shaping smiles for tomorrow. Shaping smiles for tomorrow. I love my school. Thank you.
That's really wonderful performance. Shall we all give a big round of applause for our UKG students?
ఓకే యూకేజీ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఫాదర్ గురించి మదర్ గురించి అలాగే వీళ్ళు చదువుకుంటున్న సెయింట్ జాన్ స్కూల్ గురించి వాళ్ళ యొక్క చిన్న చిన్న మాటలతో మీ అందరికీ కూడా వాళ్ళ యొక్క అభిమానం తెలియపరిచారు.